Hello, Blue 6 ELA students. This is Mrs. McHugh, and we are going to be talking about how to write a thesis statement for your argumentative essay. So let's start with the basics. What is a thesis statement? A thesis statement is the main idea of an essay. It's going to tell the reader what the essay is about. This is going to only be one sentence, and a thesis statement is going to appear as the last sentence in your first paragraph. So your first paragraph is called your introduction. So the thesis statement is going to be the last thing in your introduction. It's going to be the last sentence. So let's break down the thesis statement. The thesis statement has two parts, like an equation. The first part is your claim. The second part is your reasons. So this equation would be claim plus 3 reasons equals thesis statement. And we'll talk a little bit more about why there needs to be 3 reasons in just a minute. So let's first start with, what is a claim? You've heard claim before when we were talking about C-sets. So a claim is just the answer to the question. It's your opinion. However, even though it's your opinion, we do not want you to use I. No, I think, I believe, none of that. You should not be using I in your argumentative essay unless it is in a quoted piece of text. Okay? So you're not using I, you're not stating what you think, you're just putting it as a statement. Let's look at an example. So if the question is, should homework be banned? The claim would be, homework should not be banned. See, we've restated the question in our answer, and we've answered the question. If you believe that homework should be banned, you can just put homework should be banned as your claim. But in this example, we're saying homework should not be banned. What about the reasons? So reasons are going to help back up your opinion. Strong reasons have evidence from a text to help back them up. We'll talk more about evidence later on. You're going to be getting text from us when we go into writing our essay. So these reasons will be explained more in the body of your essay. So this is another reason why a thesis statement is so important, because you're setting up not only what the reader is going to be reading about, but you're also setting up for the rest of your essay. You have 3 reasons, you need 3 body paragraphs. So you'd have 1 reason in each of those paragraphs. Going back to our example, if our claim was homework should not be banned, our reasons: because it helps students prepare for the next day's lesson, provides practice of a skill learned in class, and teaches students about time management. So there we've summed up 3 reasons in our thesis statement. We'll explain them more in our body paragraphs. Now, how do I make this into a thesis statement? I just got to put it all together. You can see that the claim is highlighted in yellow. Our reasons are highlighted in pink. So if you read them, homework should not be banned because it helps students prepare for the next day's lesson, provides practice of a skill learned in class, and teaches students about time management. So we've put it all together and we've made a thesis statement. Let's look at another example. If our question is, should middle school students have recess? Our claim could be, middle school students should have recess. We just restated the question in our answer. If you think they should not have recess, then your claim would be, middle school students should not have recess. But here we think that they should. And our 3 reasons: because it allows for time to socialize, there's 1. 2, it keeps students healthy. And 3, it helps reduce stress. Now we just put them all together and we've got a thesis statement. Again, our claim is highlighted in yellow. The reasons are highlighted in pink. Middle school students should have recess because it allows for time to socialize, keeps students healthy, and helps reduce stress. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to make your thesis statement. So now you're going to give it a try. You're going to choose one of these 3 questions that are below and create a thesis statement. Remember, claim plus 3 reasons equals thesis statement. This is just a practice, a time for you to practice. So on your guide that we gave you, you're going to be writing your thesis statement. You choose one of these questions to write your thesis statement on. The first one says, should students be required to wear uniforms? The second one, should sports be co-ed? And co-ed means that boys and girls are allowed to play the same sport on the same team. So like if our football team had both boys and girls playing on it. And number 3, should schools sell fast food? So choose one of these and create your claim and your 3 reasons to put it all together and make your thesis statement. Please let me or Mr. Cherry know if you've got any questions, and good luck.